Hello, my name is Eric Barrett, and I am going to be showing you a great rental in the Coal Valley area of San Francisco. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment, top floor unit with parking. So let me turn around here and I'm going to introduce you to the living room. We just walked in, big giant foyer area, and then you have a sizable living room here. Wooden floors, decorated fireplace, window treatments are included. Moving to the right, you're greeted with a kitchen with a dishwasher, 5-burner gas stovetop, gas range. If you're a plant lover, this is a wonderful little greenhouse right outside the window. Stainless refrigerator and bar stool seating if you wish to eat at a bar, or this giant area right here is wonderful for a dining room table. And then there is a skylight here that brings in a lot of light on sunny days. You won't be able to see it, but out the side of this window, you can see St. Mary's Cathedral, Golden Gate Bridge, and the Marin Headlands. You can see the mountains in the distance there. Again, going past the foyer area, this door to the left goes down to the garage, where you have 1-car parking, little hallway area. Very crisp bathroom, tub, and shower, separate room shower. Checkerboard floor, storage space there. Bedroom, this will be the secondary bedroom. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. Has closet organizers as well, and wooden floors. If you're interested in a change of paint color, let me know. Some people like blue, some people don't. So let us know. The owner is very receptive to those type of requests, and we welcome them. So, and this would be, this room's a little larger, and it has a larger closet with customizations, as you can see the closet organizers. Coming out again. If you're interested in this property, give us at ReLISTO a call. This property is available as of December 2019, and we welcome your interest, and we're happy to show private showings, and then we have scheduled showings on our website, so come visit us at ReLISTO.com. All right, again, this is Eric Barrett. Appreciate you visiting and watching. All right, take care. Bye-bye.